Hi syndicates, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I do my graphic liners, and I will be breaking it down into 5 different spice levels. It goes from level 1 through level 5. Level 5 will be a secret, so make sure to stay till the end of the video to see what it looks like. I will be building on to each of the levels by adding a little bit more complexity, starting off with just one product, which is going to be my liquid eyeliner from one size. So as you can see, I have my base done already: foundation, eyebrows, highlighter, basic contour, and also like my lipstick done. I wanted to point out with my mask, whenever I wear it, I actually don't wear that much foundation, and so I use a very small amount. And for my lipsticks, I avoid any liquid lipsticks, and I kind of just use like more of the creamy base so that it doesn't rub off as easily. But yeah, today's focus will be on the eyes, and I will be showing you how I create this beautiful, very simplistic but yet complex look. The irony, the paradox. Or is it an oxymoron? I don't know. Today's comment shout out will be from Katrin. Thank you so much for leaving a comment in my previous video suggesting the theme for this one. And if you would like to have a comment shout out for my next video, then make sure you leave a comment below with a suggestion for what you want to see in the next video. Okay, I have a vanity mirror right here so that I can see what I'm doing. I'm really terrible at doing my eyeliner without having some sort of a really bright vanity mirror. So if I'm glowing, it's because I need to. Really, the 4 products I'm going to be using, I know I mentioned 3, but I forgot to add in mascara, would be one liquid liner from one size, and that is the Point Made Bodalicious Black 24-Hour Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Then I will also be using the Point Made Bodalicious Black 24-Hour Gel Eyeliner Pencil from one size. For mascara, I'm using the Urban Decay Lash Freak, and for the black eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the I Heart Revolution Makeup Revolution London palette called Curses and Hexes. And specifically, I just want to use this black eyeshadow. But if you just have a black eyeshadow, a black eyeliner pencil, gel or cream, doesn't matter, because you'll be able to recreate this look as well. And just grab your favorite mascara as long as it's black. Okay, let's go. For this look and for many of my looks, I do draw out with my customized face chart the eyeliner and how it will be looking like for the rest of the video for the look. And that's really good to plan your looks out, especially if they're complicated. And if you want to know how I drew my own customized face chart with just using a Selfie, Procreate, Apple Pencil, and an iPad, then make sure to check out this video. And it will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how exactly I created my own personalized face chart. Palette. Now this is a step that I personally like to do, which is take a very like neutral eyeshadow base color, and in this one I'm using Misfortune. I'm using it as a base in order to cover my eyelid, protecting it from some grease. The reason being, I want to make sure the liquid eyeliner doesn't catch on to the greasiness of my face, and that would be very unfortunate because that would ruin the liquid, the watery thingy in the eyeliner. Clearly explaining this so well. I'm just using my finger to apply this base very gently to both eyes. And now liquid eyeliner. Boop. So whenever I do my liquid eyeliner, especially for this look, I want to make sure I have a line and a line here, and they're going to be sort of symmetrical. Hopefully my face isn't symmetrical, so I'm going to have to make do. But I start from the edge right here, or I would say the corner, and then I just draw a line towards my eyebrow. Up until about there. So as long as I'm aiming towards my eyebrows, I know they're going to be pretty much symmetrical, which is great. And now I'm gonna just gently pull the skin right here, because that's just gonna help me make sure I pull away the kind of like wrinkle here, because I have a tapered eyelid. So this little double eyelid situation is gonna mess up my eyeliner if I don't stretch that out. So just very gently pulling on this side, and I'm gonna pinpoint like the middle of my eye, like right here, and connect this dot to this part. Now I'm looking down so you can see the symmetry of them. It's not exactly the same, and I think that's perfectly fine, but it's close enough. Now adding 2 little triangles to the inner corner of my eye so it gives me this elongated look. And that, my friends, would be level 1. So keep in mind, when I'm drawing these eyeliner, I'm not just going and then drawing like a straight line. I did it over here, but then I didn't really do it over here. Knowing that I have a crease, I need to make sure that I'm sort of sketching along the same line, but not overlapping so much that it starts to peel itself off of each other, which tends to happen sometimes with certain liquid liners. I don't really have that trouble with this particular eyeliner, which is really good. But with liquid eyeliners, you want to make sure that you always wait for it to dry, and it dries really quickly. So when I was doing my eyeliner, I kind of pulled my skin a little bit, waited for it to dry, dry as I was drying it, and then as soon as it dries, then I let go. Because especially if you have like hooded eyelids, or if you have even like a small double eyelid like I do right here, it gets creased really quickly if it's still wet. So if I just blinked really quickly, then it would have folded and messed all my eyeliner up. It might look really simple, but at the same time, when you're doing these looks, to get them really precise, you just have to be really patient and just make sure that you give it time to dry. Okay, on to level 2. Level 2 is going to be a simple addition. We are just kind of adding this line that's going to go up over here into our crease. So I'm going to mark out where exactly that crease is going to end. Right here and right here. So if you feel your eyeball and then you'll feel your brow bone, you're going to just put a dot right on the eyeball. And it's going to be right above the line right here. As you can see, this is where it stopped. I'm gonna go right above that, kind of squint a little bit, look down, make a mark. And if I'm satisfied with that, I'll make a mark here as well. Look to make sure they're about the same height. I think this one's a little bit lower than this one, so I'm gonna just make this go a little bit higher. Really easy just to kind of get rid of like a little dot, a little bit higher to match the other side again. Okay, perfect. Optical illusion, looks good. Then I'm just gonna connect this dot to the end. Let that dry and do the other side. And that would be level 2. Level 3 is going to be a connection between this part and this part, as you can see right here. So with the same eyeliner, you know the drill. Let's mark where we're going first. Hand mirror, here we go. It's an adventure. And we're really just making a little S shape, and it's gonna go out and in. So I'm gonna be starting in the middle right here. Out and in. Nice, now we're gonna do the other side as well. And that is level 3. Ooh, getting spicy. Now let's spice it up even more with level 4. Level 4 is continuing to add a little bit of line and also a dot this time. And I feel like the dot honestly is a little bit harder. So this is going to be the little dot that goes and separates the two lines, this one and this one. So the front line is actually going to just mimic the shape of the front of my eye, which should be a little bit easier to draw if you pull it backwards. So I'm gonna try doing that with my little hand mirror. Whoopsie, I think I'm running out of ink on this one because I used it too much. This is the Precision Eyeliner from Ben Nye Makeup. So help me, Ben Nye. I gotta add a little dot. Ooh, actually, I kinda like how it looks without the dot. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, this like may or may not work, but I did always want to try this Milk Makeup, this tattoo stamp, which is like a little star. I haven't used it yet, so instead of a little dot, let me see if this will probably fit. Please fit. Oh my god, I don't want to mess this up. Okay, so it worked, but it also got the bottom, which is not what I wanted, but I'm gonna go with it. So let's just see if I can replicate that. Okay, I did replicate it. All right, tattoo stamp, you have done your job, albeit a little bit strangely, but at least you were consistent. Okay, well, we are transforming this look as we go along. But yeah, this would be a level 4. Level 5 is going to include coloring in the outside so it becomes a one thick liner, and then adding little semicircle on the inside. Let's go. We're going to continue using the Ben Nye Precision Eyeliner. I'm doing small improvisations here and there. Hope you all enjoy this progress with me, this process. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to use the one size eyeliner to color it in, and then I'm going to use this for like the lines. Switching the eyeliners around. I'm just going to color this in. This part should be a little bit easier because you're just filling in the gap. It's really pretty, if I do say so myself. Now let that dry, and then using the Precision Eyeliner from Ben Nye, we'll be drawing the little semicircles on the inside. Because I know I have a little divot, I don't know what this is called, like the crease for my double eyelid starts here. I'm actually just using it as a starting point so it looks more natural with my eye. Perfect, and that would be level 5. But hold up, you thought I was just gonna let you guys go. No, I'm actually gonna do a level 6. Boom, plot twist. And level 6 is going to actually include some eyeshadow. ASMR moment. Oh yeah. So the bonus level, level 6, if you have made it this far with me, is going to involve a little bit of eyeshadow, and that's going, ow, I just hit myself. That's going to help make this look so much more dramatic. So what I'm gonna do is take the black eyeshadow, which here it's called Supernatural in my palette, taking a tiny little brush, dip it, tap it. Gonna go from here, turning in the corner, and brush out. Or sorry, brush in. Ooh, that looks smart, sure. As you can see, I'm not really using a lot of products. I'm pretty sure I only dipped it like once, 1.5 times on each eye and then blending it out. But this is also pretty pigmented. Then in doing that, I'm going to use the gel eyeliner pen, line the bottom of my eye. So the thing that is bothering me a little bit is because I did the little tattoo stars and it messed up and kind of did this. And I feel like it doesn't look intentional enough. So what I'm gonna just do is draw this line down and create a line. Now it looks like a statue. Very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. In a way, I've kind of like blocked off this section, black eyeshadow. So let me just add more. Yeah, why not? There. Much better. And this was level 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I guess, all together. Let's put on some mascara. Now we're put on our eyelashes. And this is the final look. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below what you want to see next. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified every single time I put a new tutorial, makeup challenge, or whatever comes next. You just never know. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. As usual, stay creative and I will see you in the next one. Ba, 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 ba. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Level 4, Level 5, Level 6, Level 7.